Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can rename any folder in Windows 11. So to do that, first of all you have to click on the folder which you want to rename. Just right click on that folder, go to show more options, then click on rename. Then rename the folder. For example, I want to rename it with EFTT, like EFTT. So that's the name of the folder right now. Now I just have to click anywhere else, like randomly. If I click here, it will get updated and the folder name is changed. So guys, that's how you can change the name of any folder in Windows 11. It is very easy, very simple. So for more that kind of videos, subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.